Day 85, day 4 of heading towards Dunsmuir from Burney. These waterfalls and streams that cross the trail for me just never get old. They're so beautiful. A little over 5.5 miles in today. We're looking at 15 as a like car campsite that might be a good place to stop for tonight. That's kind of what we're shooting for, and from this point on it's all downhill, so the day's shaping up to be a pretty good hike. We had a few snowfields we went over. Popcorn actually fell down on one and slid a little while, about 10 feet down. Luckily he went into a bush that stopped him, because he would have kept going all the way down to a river, which would not have been good. So we paused there for a little bit, continued on, and I'm just really enjoying the trail. I don't know if you can see on the other side there's a lot of fog. We were on the other side of that hill for most of the morning and in a fog bank the whole way. As soon as we got over the hill or mountain, we've cleared up, no more fog. There are 2 deer directly in front of me. Let's see how long they will stay. They've definitely spotted me. Oh, it looks like there's someone hiking right up on the other side too, so they're not gonna quite know what to do. All right, I think they're gonna take off here. So there's a hiker coming up in front of me. He's carrying a log. I saw a post about him. He's doing this for charity. Let me see if he wants to give his charity info so you can possibly contribute to him.
Yeah, so
How you doing, buddy?
This is to raise money for children charities. St. Jude Children's Hospital. I did the Appalachian Trail last year. It raised 10 grand for vets, so I don't take any money that comes in. I'm not sponsored or supported. I'm just trying to raise money and attach it to the hike itself.
Right on.
How close we are to those views.
Isn't it incredible?
Even further back, at the last spot that I was at, there was a couple of them.
What's your name?
Sean Mahoney, Logman, Larry the Log.
Larry the Log.
Instagram, Larry the Log kind of has the whole spiel of like the mission statement and what I've raised money for. It's just strictly hiking. I'm from New England, so I did all the high peaks, all 115 in 13 weeks, and that raised money for wounded warriors. And then the Appalachian Trail was the next step, 10 grand for vets. The PCT will be for children, and then hopefully Triple Crown. CDT will be for, another cause, another log. And
Right on. I assume I can put this on my blog?
of course.
All right.
Look behind you.
He's not quite sure. So this deer is about 10 feet from me right now.